We celebrate the Diwali Festival of Lights with Diyas, and it's an occasion to light the clay Diyas. But do you know how these Diyas are made? Let's take a look. The Diya making process starts with mixing soil and water. After that, the mixture is sieved manually to remove impurities. Then, the mixture is left to dry in the sunlight to make clay. Once the water is dried from the mixture, the clay becomes very smooth and it is cut into small blocks. Next, the blocks are passed on for making Diya. Here, the clay blocks are crushed. At this stage, the crushed clay is sent for the moulding process. And here, the clay is filled into the mould and pressed to give an amazing shape of a Diya. Now we see how all the Diyas are arranged. These creative Diyas are eye-catching and I am enjoying watching this process. After that, the Diyas are left in sunlight to dry. Then, all the clay items are baked in a furnace for strength. Now, the Diya are left in the furnace for approximately 2 hours. At this stage, the Diyas are removed from the furnace and sent for the designing process. After that, beautiful colour fillings and designs of the Diyas are done by women. Diyas are also decorated with different materials. You may be surprised to know that this factory makes Diyas with various shapes and sizes, and often with intricate designs. and the artisan's handcrafted clay Diyas add a cultural and artistic significance. Then the wax is filled into the Diyas to make candles. Once the Diyas are fully ready, they are sent for packaging. Now, the creative and premium-looking Diyas are packed into boxes and wrapped with plastic. And here, the Diya boxes are placed from the shrink wrap machine. Friends, these Diyas look like gift bags, and the Diya boxes are perfectly ready. Finally, the Diyas are ready and are packed into big boxes.